Hi everyone, it's Tiffany, and I am here to show you the brand new Cats vs. Pickle toys. These are adorable plushies that I actually saw at New York Toy Fair. There are so many to collect, and they all have funny stories. This is how they began though. I don't know if you're familiar with those Cats vs. Cucumber videos. Well, these are actually based off that. They're actually based off that concept, but instead they're Cats vs. Pickles. And these are all of the kitties that you can get, like all these plushies with like bean bags on the bottom, which makes them really super easy to stand up. And here is a pickle. All the pickle wants to do is just be friends with the kitty cat, but the cat doesn't like them. So if you're also familiar with their YouTube channel, the Cats vs. Pickles YouTube channel, you'll see these really fun shorts about this whole storyline. You could also play the fun app. It's also free to download. It's super fun. Really challenging. I only got to like level 2, as you could see, and I didn't even pass that. I'm pretty terrible at it, but it's a fun game. My son loves to play it, and he actually loves and laughs so much at the YouTube channel. It's hilarious. He's 6 years old and he thinks it's such a fun channel. So let's take a look at this pickle first. Super duper cute. It has like a little detail at the top. Looks like a little tuft of hair. They're very soft, very well made. It's a printed fabric with embroidered eyes. And like I said, they have bean bags at the bottom, which makes them really easy to display with and to play with. So you can just throw it back and forth. You could throw them at the cats and try to knock them down. So this guy's name is Hank, and his motto is do it quickly, do it cheerfully, and do it wrong. And you could also scan the QR code to tell you more about it and to also download the free game. I love this one. He has an Argyle sweater. He has glasses, super duper cute. Has embroidered features like embroidered paw, embroidered eyeglasses and eyes and nose. He's super adorable. Love their little ears. Here's a little tail over here. So well made, so stinking cute. This is Mr. Argyle. History books are his favorites to read, and he's number 20. He's so cute. This is an adorable one with the puzzle pieces. Again, beautifully detailed. Look how cute. We even have like little eyelashes. And this little guy's name is Puzzle Puss. This crazy cat may be missing a piece. That's number 19. Super duper cute. And finally, this is a rare one. This is actually Skellicat. No bones about it. Skellicat is frighteningly sweet. Number 37. I love Skellicat. Skellicat and Mr. Argyle are like two of my favorite ones. You can tell that this is a rare one by this embroidered patch over here. We have the cat and the pickle over here. Again, these are super well made. They are great toys for display, for play. My youngest guy, he's 2.5, and he loves playing with these two. I actually had to search for them because he hid them. He likes to hide my toys. I say my toys, but they're not. They're their toys. So you can look for more information about Cats vs. Pickles at catsvspickles.com. They have a Shopify account now where they're actually selling these. These are supposed to be in stores later this year, like retailers. But right now they're selling them on their own on Shopify, on their Shopify website. I will put that in my link in the description below. Also link to their download to download the game. And I'll also put their YouTube channel where you could see all the fun antics these cats and these pickles have together. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below. I love them. I think they're really cute. I think they're a fun addition to anyone's collection, especially if you love to collect plushies. And if you are a cat fan, have a cat at home, you have to try the Cats vs. Cucumber challenge, and make sure you tag Cats vs. Pickles too, because they love sharing videos, especially if you have one of their plushies. Oh my gosh, they would love it so much, and so will I. So if you like Cats vs. Pickles, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or double tap that heart and give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on IGTV or Facebook Watch, please don't forget to like my video, comment below, and share. That would be really awesome. And don't forget to like my page. That would be cool too. Thank you so much to Cats vs. Pickles and CEPIA LLC for sending us these. These are so awesome. It's a family-owned company who created this concept out of the Cats vs. Cucumber craze. And you know what? They did it spot on. There are so many to collect. If you stay to the end of the video, I'll just give you a quick snippet of what I saw at New York Toy Fair from the booth. You could see what they're like, and you could see more of them, and you could also check out their Shopify to see what else they have in store for Cats vs. Pickles. Thanks for watching. Have a cat-tastic day.